In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Printful billing. By the end, you'll have a billing method saved to your account so your orders can be charged automatically and processed without delays. First, open Printful and sign into your account so you're on the dashboard. From here, look for the More option in the navigation. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the sidebar or along the top menu. Click More to expand additional settings and tools. Next, select Billing. This is where Printful keeps everything related to payments, invoices, and your payment sources. Inside the billing section, click Billing Methods. This page shows any payment methods you've already added and is where you'll manage or update them in the future. Now click Add Billing Method. This opens a form where you'll enter the details for the payment source you want to use. Start by entering your full name exactly as it appears with your payment provider. Accuracy matters here. Using the same name and address format that's on your card or bank account helps prevent verification issues. Enter address line 1. This should be your street address, like a house number and street name. Then add your city, choose your country from the drop-down, and type your zip or postal code. Make sure the country and postal code match because mismatches are a common reason payment methods fail to save or later get declined. You'll also see optional fields. Address line 2 is great for apartment, suite, or unit numbers. Use it if you have an extra address detail so everything fits cleanly. Company is optional, but if you're billing to a registered business, enter the legal business name here to keep your records and invoices consistent. You can also add a phone number. While not required, including a valid number can be helpful for verification or for carriers if there's ever a delivery question tied to your billing address. Take a moment to review everything you've entered. Confirm that spelling, abbreviations, and postal formatting match what your payment provider expects. When everything looks correct, click Add. Printful will process the information and save it to your account. After the form submits, you should see your new billing method listed on the Billing Methods page. That listing confirms it's active and ready to use for order charges and shipping fees. If you ever spot a typo or your address changes, return to this same page to update your details so payments continue smoothly. That's it. Your Printful billing is set up. Keeping this information accurate helps ensure your orders are fulfilled quickly, without interruptions or payment holds. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.